hello. Ah. Tyler, I think they're communicating. Quit it.
They need to quit calling them the monkey.
Huh?
The louder you get with them, the louder they get.
Hello.
When it goes hello.
Hello.
I think this is the only nice one here.
She's still biting.
Ah.
It looks just like the one my aunt has.
Don't worry, it's on video.
Okay, Gracie.
It's on video, so there is no flash.
Okay, Gracie.
Hi, girl. She's pretty. Hello.
Scared her?
Mariah, where's the monkey?
Right there. Turn the flash on.
It's not facing this way.
Kayla.
I don't mind.
Oh, look at that.
What?
Grandmama's calling.
You better go over there.
Oh, okay. Excuse me. Hello. Ma'am.
Shirt is $7.99 and the airbrush is $15.